Hello everyone. Logical operators. As you already know that we are having logic gates such as AND, OR and NOT. Likewise, we are having logical operators. After evaluation of expression consisting of logical operators, we will get either 0 or 1, that is either false or true as a result. Now observe the table carefully. Logical NOT. It is an unary operator, that is, it acts on only one operand. Operator is exclamation symbol, priority is 1, and associativity is from left to right. Second operator is logical AND. It is a binary operator. The symbol is double ampersand, priority is 2, and the associativity is from left to right. Next operator is logical OR. Again, it is a binary operator. Symbol is pipe symbol. You can observe it. Priority is 3. Associativity is left to right. During evaluation, the NOT operator has the highest priority, whereas the logical OR is having the least priority, that is the lowest priority. The logical operators are used to combine two or more relational expressions, which you are going to see in the following examples. Now let us have a clear understanding regarding these operators one by one. First one is the logical NOT. The logical NOT is denoted by exclamation symbol. The result is true if the operand is false, and the result is false if the operand is true. Observe the following table carefully, wherein the operand has been given and its operation, that is the result, have been mentioned. Suppose the operand is 1, then logical NOT 1 will be false, that is 0. Likewise, if the operand is 0, then logical NOT 0 will be true, that is 1. Logical AND. The logical AND is denoted by double ampersand symbol. The result is true if and only if both the operands are evaluated to true. If one of the operand is evaluated to false, the result is false. Once again, observe the table carefully, wherein operand 1 and operand 2 have been given, and in the third column you can see that the operation of operand 1 and operand 2, that is the result, have been mentioned. Suppose the operand 1 is 0 and operand 2 is also 0, then the result will be 0, that is false only. Second set of inputs. Suppose operand 1 is 0 and operand 2 is 1, then the result will be false. Likewise, if the operand 1 is 1 and operand 2 is 0, the result will be 0 once again. Lastly, if the operand 1 is 1, that is true, and operand 2 is also 1, that is true, then the result will be true or 1. Logical OR. The logical OR is denoted by pipe symbol. The result is true if and only if at least one of the operands is evaluated to true. If both the operands are evaluated to false, the result is false. Observe the table carefully. If the operand 1 is 0 and operand 2 is also 0, then the result will be 0, that is false. Likewise, if operand 1 is 0 and operand 2 is 1, then the result will be 1. Likewise, if operand 1 is 1 and operand 2 is 0, then also the result will be 1. And lastly, if operand 1 is 1 and operand 2 is also 1, then the result will be 1 again. Now let us see the combination of relational and logical expressions. The logical operators are used to combine two or more relational expressions. The rules to be followed while evaluating the expression consisting of logical expression is as shown below. First, you need to evaluate the brackets. Secondly, you need to evaluate the unary expressions. Then you need to evaluate arithmetic expressions. Next, you need to evaluate relational expressions. And lastly, you need to evaluate the logical expressions. Now let us try to solve the given expression with the help of the above rules. The expression is a plus 2 greater than b, logical and not c, or a not equal to d, logical and a minus 2 less than or equal to e, where a is equal to 11, b is equal to 6, c is equal to 0, d is equal to 7 and e is equal to 5. At first, you need to substitute the given values in the expression. Now the expression will become 11 plus 2 greater than 6, logical and not 0, or 11 not equal to 7, logical and 11 minus 2 less than or equal to 5. Now as per the rule, we need to perform unary operation. Not 0 will become 1, as you can see. Now the expression will become 11 plus 2 greater than 6, logical and 1, logical, or 11 not equal to 7, logical and 11 minus 2 less than or equal to 5. Now perform arithmetic operation from left to right, and hence we will opt 11 plus 2 first. The result will be 13 greater than 6, logical and 1, logical, or 11 not equal to 7, logical and 11 minus 2 less than or equal to 5. Now once again you need to perform arithmetic operation from left to right. Now we are having only one arithmetic expression left in the example, that is 11 minus 2. The result will be 9, as you can observe. Now we will be having 13 greater than 6, logical and 1, logical, or 11 not equal to 7, logical and 9 less than or equal to 5. Now since we are not having any other arithmetic expressions left in the given example, we can go towards our next rule, that is perform relational operation. The relational expressions that are present in our expressions are 13 greater than 6, 11 not equal to 7 and 9 less than or equal to 5. We need to perform the relational operation from left to right along with following their priority, and hence 13 greater than 6 will be the first to be evaluated. The result will be 1 since 13 is greater than 6, which is true. Now the resultant expression will be 1, logical and 1, logical, or 11 not equal to 7, logical and 9 less than or equal to 5. Now we need to evaluate 9 less than or equal to 5 because of its priority. The result will be 0 because 9 is not less than 5 nor is it equal to 5, and hence the result will be false, that is 0. Now the resultant expression will be 1 logical and 1 logical or 11 not equal to 7 logical and 0. Now we need to perform relational operation once again because we have got one more logical expression left in our problem, that is 11 not equal to 7. The result of 11 not equal to 7 will become 1 because 11 is not equal to 7, which is true, and hence the result will be 1. Now the resultant expression will be 1 logical and 1 logical or 1 logical and 0. Now perform logical operation from left to right as per the priority. We need to carry out the first expression, that is 1 logical and the result will be 1 because both the operands are 1 and hence the result will become 1. Now the resultant expression will be 1 logical or 1 logical and 0. Now we need to carry out 1 logical and 0 first because of its priority. The result will be 0 because one of the operands is 0. Now the resultant expression will be 1 logical or 0. Now we need to perform the logical operation once again. 1 logical or 0 will become 1 because one of the operands is 1 and hence the result will be true, that is 1. It is the final answer. Thank you for watching the video.